Hi guys, so if you want to know what I did to achieve the nails in the previous clips, just keep on watching. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm just using my hand file, but if you have an e-file, you could just use it and, move on to the next step. I'm just applying some cuticle oil because I'm going to be pushing back my cuticle, and then after that I'm going to clean it with alcohol and make sure that you don't have any oily residue left. For the following steps, I'm using my e-file, but if you don't have one, you could just use a small or thin file that will fit in the nail shape and you'll be good to go. I forgot to show this part, but before you apply the nail tip, be sure to dust away any dust from the filing, okay? I'm gonna be fast forwarding the curing part because I'm not gonna have you here watching a minute clip of me curing my nails. And just with the cuticle pusher, I'm removing any gel that has slipped out of the form. And let's just follow away the shine from the tip so that the gel will adhere to the tip and there's no lifting afterwards. I'm doing 2 coats of the light pink gel. I was gonna go for like a marble effect, but I don't know, I ended up doing like a watercolor type of design. You could just do whatever you want. I was just playing along with the tips and seeing what type of design I could create. I went with something simple, honestly. I didn't want to do something too crazy. And this is the finished masterpiece. If you guys liked it, let me know, leave a comment. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye.